Today we're going to take a closer look at this from Torva. It's a stainless steel kitchen faucet. And we recently picked up an undermount kitchen sink from Torva and we love it, so we want to match with the Torva kitchen faucet. So I'm going to take a closer look at this and show you it in today's video. So it's got all the connectors you need for a standard sink hookup, and then you have the connection here, so you screw this part underneath it and then you tighten each of these set screws to tighten it down. But this is a great looking faucet. I like it that it sticks out really far, so you could easily fill up like a big saucepan or quart pan if you wanted to boil water. It's got the hot and cold with the Torva on the side, and you can pull it out and down to change the pressure. But the thing that's really cool is this comes all the way out, and then you have a nozzle when you're doing dishes and cleaning things up, or if you need to fill up a pot nearby, you've got the nice nozzle that comes out as well. And then additionally in here there's a weight. You got to make sure to put the weight on so that'll automatically pull this back in for you. Overall, this is a great stainless steel faucet. It looks great. And in the coming days we're going to install this and we'll do an update video and we'll show you what it looks like once it's all installed. But overall, I really like the build quality and the look of this and just the fact of how functional it's going to be. Back in the day when I was little, you just have a sink like this and you wouldn't have the ability to pull this out. It's a very nice little extra feature that we end up using a lot here on our homestead.